Work from home in your new business. Hello, my name is Bill Morrow, and as you're watching this video, the chances are you are looking for working from home, making a business online, affiliate marketing, marketing online, something of that nature. Well, you have come to the right place, because over my 9 years of working online, looking and getting systems working, this is the one system that I have found which is, in fact, as far as I'm concerned, perfect. The Invincible Marketer is the name of the system, and I have, over the last months, used this, gone through the course, studied the course, completed the course, and now have my own business running online. So I can fully recommend this to someone who wants to start a business online. Now, the business can be anything you want. You can start off, it can be fishing, it can be dieting, keep fit, whatever you want, because it's your business. The whole process takes you through right from the very start, and you learn every detail of setting the business up. And in this way, anything goes wrong, or if you want to change things, it's up to you. You simply do it. As simple as that. And if this old bloke can do it, so can you. So there's no problem at all. But all you have to do is watch a video, and at the end of the video, you're invited to do something, make a change, do something. So you complete the small task, and then you move on to the next video. Now, don't move on till you have completed the task. Otherwise, you have a whole conglomeration of bits and pieces, and it'll leave you in a mess. The best thing, as the course suggests, do one video, watch it, complete the task, then move on to the next one. If it doesn't go right, go back, watch it again, as I have done on a few occasions where I was forgetting to save the changes I'd made. So you make the changes, save the changes, then you go on. And in that way, when you complete the course, what have you got? You have a whole course completed, but the main thing is you have your working system. You have your business set up, the one that you decided to set up in the first place. Whatever it is, you now have that complete. So it is, from that point of view, perfect. Now, to get more information about this excellent system, all I suggest is you go down to the description box below, click on that link, get onto my email list, and then I will be able to send emails directly to you. You can correspond with me directly as well. So between us, we then have a two-way link. You can ask all the questions you want. Yes, I'll answer them because you're sending me a direct email. And then you can decide what business you want to set up, how you want to set it up, and then go through the course and you'll be completely satisfied. Excellent. Right, go down to the link down below, get onto the link, and I will see you shortly on the other side. See you later.